What is up, OK fam? We are back today with another video. My name is Owen.
And my name is Katie. And for today's awesome video, it is going to be making our favorite Frappuccino recipe that we have liked making the most. So what is our favorite Frappuccino recipe?
Our favorite Frappuccino recipe is the strawberries and cream Frappuccino.
Yeah, it is pretty good, and the way we make it is really good. We add different stuff to it, and it just tastes really, really good in the end. So we're gonna bring you guys along in the kitchen at our grandparents' house, making it together.
Make sure you all go down below to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification button so you never miss another video just like this.
And also be sure to click that like button and make sure it's blue so you guys can support us more for great, awesome content in the future. And
let's get on with the video.
Let's go.
Alright, so we got all the ingredients and now we are ready to start making our Frappuccinos.
Yeah, so let's add all the ingredients into the blender and let's do this.
Yep.
So right now, guys, we need 2.5 tablespoons of the strawberry syrup. So we're filling it up right now. That is 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons, and now we just need a half of one of those. And 2.5.
Alright, so we are recording the milk. Obviously, you can use any sort of milk, but we're using almond milk because that's our milk. And we are filling up this measuring cup to half a cup and putting it in the mix. And in goes the milk.
Okay, so now Owen is adding 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. We were looking for the scooper. We now found it. So scoop it up, please. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now put that right in there. Plop it right in. Nice, perfect.
Alright, so we are using 1 cup of ice into our mix to make it cold. Because Frappuccinos are cold, obviously.
Owen is now opening up the frozen strawberries for this. I prefer frozen strawberries because they're already frozen and they're just better. So we're using about 8 of them, right, Owen?
Yep.
And they're just a normal size strawberry. They aren't too big or too small, so we're plopping 8 of them in there. And that's 3 in a clump. So yeah, 8 of them, there they go in. Beautiful. We have a grand idea of adding just a pump or 2 of whipped cream, so let's do it. Beautiful, that's enough. There we go. Now time to blend up, right, Owen?
Yes.
The lid is going on, and yeah.
We are going to turn on the blender. Get ready, everyone.
Yes. This is only our third time doing this, so we aren't super pros.
Yeah.
Is it looking good?
Not exactly.
I think it needs a little more. Take a look, guys. Yeah, it's a little clumpy still. A little milk will thin it out. That's enough. Just a splash of milk. Okay, got the cups. How's it looking over here, Owen?
Looking pretty good.
Okay, ready for some Frappuccinos. Let's add it in. Oh, it comes rolling. I think we may need to make a second batch. I think we completely forgot to double it up, but that's okay. We have time on our hands, so yes. It looks good though. I'm excited.
Yes, me too.
This is the closest recipe we could find from the Starbucks one, so very exciting. And let's make a second batch. Hey everybody, we have finished the Frappuccinos, yes. So the second batch is complete. Same recipe, same everything as before. And we're just dumping it back into our cups from the first time. Okay, and it's mine. Oh, I'm excited to try this again. It's been a while.
Yes, it has.
The strawberry syrup makes it so good, guys. It's like, okay, thank you. Got the straws. Gonna just mix it lightly in. Just to work it in. Oh, it looks good.
Yes, it does. And as you guys saw, I added in a cherry.
Yeah, he did.
I don't know why, I just did.
He likes cherries.
Yes, I love cherries.
Oh yeah, whipped cream time, everybody.
Whipped cream. Let's go.
I'm excited. Beautiful. That is a Frappuccino. This is really good. Let me tell you, the syrup. Bomb. I love this. The syrup at the bottom is so good.
It is. It's better than last time.
You guys definitely need to try this recipe out. It's super easy, pretty healthy, honestly. It tastes almost like the real thing. It's cheaper. You guys have to try this one. It's really good, really flavorful. The strawberry really pops. It does really good. Yeah, this turned out really good. You guys definitely need to try this out.
And make sure you guys go hit the subscribe button, bell notification down below, and hit the thumbs up button. Make sure it's blue. And as always, have a great day, guys.
Yeah, you guys are awesome. Keep being who you are and have a great day, and peace!